Markets recovered smartly towards the end of the week, but is this just a bounce or start of a fresh rally towards 25,200? Let's decode the bigger picture. Hello everyone, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome back to Markets by Motilal Oswal. Let's decode the weekly market outlook in this video. The truncated week began on a cautious note but soon witnessed strong short covering as the September series wrapped up and the October series got underway. The momentum in the second half of the week not only helped markets recoup the earlier losses but also pushed the index to close near its higher end of the weekly range. The recovery was largely fueled by RBI policy outcome which provided stability and boosted sentiment. On the weekly chart, Nifty formed a small-bodied bullish candle with longer lower shadow, indicating smart accumulation at lower levels near 24,600. Now, Nifty will have to sustain above 24,750 to keep the upside momentum intact, opening the doors for the next psychological barrier of 25,000 and 25,200. On the flip side, supports have now shifted higher to 24,700 and 24,600 levels, offering a constructive base. Adding to the optimism, India VIX cooled off by more than 10% during the week, easing volatility concerns and giving comfort to the bulls in driving the uptrend. Talking about Bank Nifty, this index continued to outshine and started the week on a firm footing. Strength was initially seen in the PSU banks, which later spilled over to the private banking heavyweights, aiding a broad-based upswing. The index covered its entire previous week's losses and closed near 55,500. A bullish candle formation on the weekly scale reinforces the comeback of the bulls. Now, Bank Nifty needs to hold above 55,500 for the next potential rally towards 56,000 and 56,250, while supports can be seen at 55,000 and 54,750 marks. Sectoral trends also reflected short covering across the board with banks, metals and auto stocks leading the charge. However, some amount of relative weakness was visible in selective consumption names, hinting at a stock-specific approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Markets by Motilal Oswal. We will keep updating you about the market outlook every week that will help you bring better investment decisions.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.